Hello viewers, please encourage our talent and like, comment, share and subscribe the channel. You can also be a part of our art gallery. So send your artwork, art videos and any other talent videos in our mail ID and contact us in our WhatsApp number. We provide online coaching also. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Vishwajit and representing Doremi. Yes, Doremi is a platform nourishes the start to shine. So join our platform and keep shining bright. Thank you that you all are sending your artwork, art videos, and you are also requesting us for a YouTube live videos. But for this reason, I need 1,000 subscribers. Yes, our channel is not yet 1,000 subscribers. So I need 1,000 subscribers for taking YouTube live class. So not only watching the video is enough, as well you have to like, comment, subscribe and share. So go and watch the video.
So let's start our video Fun with Watercolor Maa Durga Part 1. In this video we will learn the drawing of Maa Durga and fun with watercolor. So let's start. So this is our paper. We have to take this paper in portrait format, not in landscape. So you have to fold the paper from the middle, but just need to a little fold from both of the sides. So don't make pressure because in the paper there is a folding line, doesn't look good. So just you need to understand to draw a line in the middle of the paper. So I'm holding the scale to draw a line in middle of the paper. So you can see, so this line is already, you can see, just give a small line and draw the line in the middle of the paper. Now in the bottom you have to again make it half. So same process, just both the corner give a pressure so that you can identify the line where you have to draw the line. So this way we have drawn the two parallel line. Now you have to draw a vertical middle line of the paper. So same process, only both top and bottom, both the sides you have to give a little pressure so that you can identify the where you have to draw the line. So this is the graph that we have done. This graph will help you to understand where exactly you have to draw. So just little down of the middle line, just little below of the middle line, you have to draw a small line, and just respective of the middle line, you have to both the sides you have to make a equal. You have to draw a rectangle box that will be end at the bottom. Now you can see on the just in the middle, same in the respect of the middle line. This middle line will help you to understand, to see the symmetry. You have to draw the oval shapes, so you can understand this is going to be a human body structure. So this is the upper hand I am drawing, both the sides. Now this is the lower part of the hand, and upper part and lower part is always same in size, like a V. Have you seen V? Both the sides are same. So here is also same. Now you have to draw a oval shape for the hand. It will be not small, it will be big enough. Now in this hand, in the exactly from in the middle diagonally, I am drawing a line. You can use scale. A diagonal line means slanting line that will be in the middle of the hand, that will be done exactly in the middle of the hand. Now you can understand I am going to draw this as a Trishul of a Maa Durga, and this another hand. I told upper and lower hand will be same in size, so it is showing that our figure is holding the Trishul, and here I am drawing the shadi. So you can see exactly from where I am starting, just by the neck. Now just by the hand you can see from where it is going. So this graph will help you to understand exactly from where you have to draw the line and how. So this is the opposite direction of the Trishul. Now this is the folding of the shari, and now see very carefully, we have to draw the hand. So you can draw the one same line just by the upper hand, and you can do like this. Yes, this is the mistake. Don't do this mistake. This line will not on the above. Sometimes students does this mistake. This line must be at the bottom. Yes, don't draw the line at the above. The line will be just bottom of the structure. So this way you have drawn the hand, and you have to erase that line. You can see exactly from your close. So now we have to draw the Trishul's one more line, so that our Trishul looks complete, so that you can put color inside this. And look how I'm drawing the Trishul in very simple way. So now you can understand the hands and everything. Just we have to draw the palm, and you have to erase this first. Now look from your close how you have to draw this. Okay, so Trishul will be gone in the middle of the hand. Okay, so you have to draw a diagonal line in the middle of the hand palm. And now there is one more line. It looks like a mouse, computer mouse. Just in the, yes, this is the, you have to draw a line in the middle. Then one more line both the sides. So you can see that the forefinger is done. This forefinger is done. Now this is a thumb finger. You know, thumb finger is holding. So holding means your finger cannot be visible. So half of the finger will be folded. So you just erase this. You can see I am erasing. So it shows that it is holding, and it is round. So now you can easily understand how you have to draw the hand. That shows how Trishul, our figure, how she's holding the Trishul. Now there is a hair. A big hair will be started from the top of the head, and it will be end. Yes, exactly in the line that you drew as a structure at the bottom. So that is actually waist of our figure, and that is the figure is going to be our Maa Durga. So you can see you have drawn this. Now you see you have to draw, yes, from a corner, from left corner and from right corner, you have to draw a line. This is also a structural line. Okay, yes, here will be another line. Just follow whatever I'm doing. You can gradually understand each and every steps. Yes, this way you have to draw the three line. Now I'm erasing the line because I have understood where exactly line I'm erasing. It means that not fully erasing. And just yes, like this, there will be a bushes behind of our figure. Look how I'm drawing, like a tree. You can know, just like a shape, like a tree, like shapes, ups and downs. Yes, like this. So the behind there is the bushes. We have completed. Now this is the time to draw the eyes. So look in the middle line, and both the side is symmetric, and you have to where exactly you have to draw the eyes. This is a mouth. Don't miss to draw this dot both the sides of the mouth. Now eyeball, it is looking the front, so you have to draw the eyeball like this way. Eyebrow, little bindi, and there is a third eye. Now ear exactly will be started at the eye line, and a finish will be at the nose line. So there is the ear ring. Now there is a hair. So first we drew the structure. Now I'm drawing. So structure will help us. So here you can see how I'm doing. Very gently you can see, like very small, but this way we did the forest also. So I mean the bushes also at the background. It's like a tree, tree. And yes, this is the ornaments we always see. Yes, you have to draw these ornaments in the face, that is hanged in the nose. Just draw the structural line, the line you don't need. So this way we have drawn the here we will draw some more jewelry. Just draw the basic line first, then you draw the beads. Don't make your drawing very complicated. Keep things easy and simple so that everybody likes this. So this line shows the blouse of a Maa Durga, now wearing bangles were drawn. Now in the waist there is one more jewelry that girls used to wear on their waist. So this way jewelry is also completed. Now you see how I have drawn. Okay, again I am showing this way you have to draw. I hope you have understood. So this is a carved line according to the waist I drew. Now just draw the line you doesn't need, the structural line. Now we will draw the flower that we usually see, which always represents our Durga Puja with the kash full, means kash flower. It's a kind of flower, white flower. This is the flower of autumn seasons. So this represents our Durga Puja. So we always prefer to draw this as a significant. You can draw more, 3. And the back also some flowers is shown. This flowers drawing is like a petal, but this is the white color actually. So you always leave paper white instead of using white color. That looks very nice. So our drawing is completed. You can see each and everything. So in this process, one by one you have to draw, and all the things you have to erase. You can see there is a line, hair line is touched with the flower, so that line will be erased accordingly, which one is your closer, which one is far. So accordingly you have to erase the line. Flower is in the front, hair is in the back, so you have to erase this line. Now we are going to see all the steps. Okay, so just take a flash, just have a flash of all the steps of our drawing. So first, this is your paper in portrait format. You have to draw a line in the middle of the paper. Just by folding, there is one more line at the bottom, in the vertical line, one in the middle. Just draw a rectangle shapes exactly respecting of the middle line. It should be in the middle. Now draw the face. Now draw the neck. Now draw the upper hand. Now yes, complete the hand. Now another hand, see every steps. Now the trishul, this is the structure. Now the hair, look one by one, the stepwise, the shari, we have drawn this. Now you can see the line I have drawn. Yes, these all are the structural line. So this way you have to complete the background bushes. Now there's a hand at the bottom. Yes, you can see at your close at the bottom you have to draw the same line. The wrist will be little thinner than arm with bangles. Draw the blouse and now draw the finger. You can see how I'm drawing the finger. Yes, now you have to erase that red mark I have shown. You have to use your eraser for erasing this red zone. You have to erase. Exactly. Now I've completed a tissue drawing. You can see. Now this is the time to draw the eyes, eyebrow. So same, and the head line will be also erased because in the hair the head line will is covered. So you can see in the hair also I've given the texture. Now in the hand you can see the design. Now the ornaments, just draw a simple line. Now beads, now third eye. So you could see you have completed our drawing. Now we have to erase all the structural line. There is a kashful you can see, but after this you have to erase all the structural line. Now you can see your drawing is completed. I hope you have understood all the steps. So you need to watch the video. You need to watch the video repeatedly so that you can understand each and every steps of the drawing. This is our part 1 video. We will come with our part 2 video. There is a one main ornament we missed for the face. There is a that is hanged in the nose. You can see. I don't know exactly the name of this ornaments. And the hand, there will be red zone will be erased, so that it looks that our Durga is holding the trishul. So this video is this much. Now is your turn. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel, hit the